All right. Hello, everyone. I wanted to do another book review. Now, I actually finished this book a couple weeks ago and didn't even think of doing a book review on it, although it's a great book. But then, as a Maverick member, I got it in the mail also, and I was like, shit, I need to share this with everyone. So, this one's pretty cool. Now, let me kind of set a story of why I read it, go into what the book's about, and then maybe talk about how you can take advantage of the alter ego effect. So, a while ago, I kind of did a study of those bad habits or those thought processes that go on in my head that negatively affect the success that I have in life, or particularly in business. And it really was the dissection of the family Roger, kind, cuddly, loving, and the business Roger. Business is war, take no prisoners, give no second chance. The Hudsucker Proxy, if you're familiar with that, and how that to become the family version, I kind of lost a little bit of the business version, and I've been okay with that. I mean, I've lived a great life, but there was a part of me that kept yearning for getting back in and getting into attack mode in business. So I created this outline of all of those different attributes, habits, different things that I did that I liked, didn't like, different thought processes, negative thinking. And then I heard people start talking about this book by Todd Herman, and I was like, ooh, this sounds like it might be in alignment. So really what this is it's talking about the power of secret identities. Now, they might sound a little weird, but it's about adopting, and I've kind of got my notes here. It's about adopting characteristics that may seem out of character. So remember, I kind of gave that reference between family Roger and business Roger. So think about you yourself today and the different aspects or different playing fields or fields of play that you interact on. Here's a great way to give an example. Jerome Bettis had a nickname name called the Bus. Now, that wasn't just a nickname. It was an alter ego. When he put on his pads and he walked onto that field, he became the Bus. His job was to get the ball and run headfirst through everyone and anyone and knock them on their asses and get them out of his way so he could get into the end zone. He was the Bus. That was an alter ego. Rumors are that when he came off the field, he was one of the nicest guys you would ever talk to. Very coy, very not coy, timid, very personable, not the killer Bus attitude that he wore when he got on the field. When you look at adopting an alter ego, you might have a trigger. So for me, I wear my watch when I go into business meetings or sales meetings. I put on a suit. When I do that, I'm kind of a different person than when I am sitting in front of a video with a sweatshirt or a hoodie on, just kind of bullshitting with people. I really become this character that's going into a different mode of thinking, left all of my negative attributes, all of my negative thoughts on the outside of that meeting. And I've gone in with a specific set of skills and a specific set of reactionary style that allows me to get the job done that I have when I'm on that field of play. So when I'm in a boardroom doing a pitch to a multi-billion-dollar company, I'm not worrying about 99% of the shit in life. I'm worried about that 1%, which is how am I going to close this deal? What's the body language of the people in the room? What's my body language? How am I using my pitch anything strong method in order to get the end result that I want? And this book laid out years of experience that Todd Herman has had as a professional coach to athletes, business executives, and helping them to understand that you can compartmentalize all of those negative attributes that you have that are stopping you from being the very best that you could possibly be on your field of play, putting them off to the side and jumping into your alter ego, naming that alter ego, like whether it's Mr. Rockefeller or Mr. Burns, if you remember from The Simpsons, like the money, the greed, the power, going after the kill at all costs. This is not fake it till you make it. It's a story of developing the real you so that you can accomplish your goals on your field of play. And that's the most important part. There's things like fake it till you make it. Doesn't work. Act like you belong a little bit better, but be the real you that you need to be on that field of play. Man, that is being in sync with the goal that you have at that moment. Now, how do you use this method you can use this method to overcome any obstacles that you have professionally. How do you do that? Well, think about the professional athlete that develops this persona, this alter ego, that when they step onto the football field, they become a bus. When they step onto the baseball field, they become a rocket launcher. Whatever that needs to be for you in business. If you're a real estate agent, can you develop the alter ego where you list out all of the best skills that it takes to be the best real estate agent in the world, and then practice those? Find some type of item that you can put on that triggers that, hey, I'm in family mode. This tells me that I'm connected to the universe around me and I'm concentrating on my family. Hey, I am in business attack mode. I am going in for the kill and I am going to get this sale. It allows you to magnify talents and eliminate weaknesses by adopting this persona so that you can attack your field of play. I highly recommend the alter ego. You can grab it on Amazon. It's available for you to listen to on Audible, which is one of the way that I get it. Again, highly recommended. Go out and grab this book. Appreciate you. Peace.